to all from Department of Chemistry, Greater Kolkata College of Engineering and Management, Baraipur, unit of JIS Group. So myself, Dr. Dipankar Das, I will be teaching the chemistry lab, both theory and practical, and my colleague Miss Aditi Chakraborty also teaching you, okay, and my colleague Dr. Devan Mandal also with us during this lab session. So we know before starting the experiment we should know the lab. Know the lab means we should know the apparatus, we should know the reagents, where it is kept, and proper marking. So first of all I am going to introduce the apparatus. So first one, this one is glass rod. This is glass rod for stirring purpose. Now this is weighing bottle. It contains primary standard substance. This is the zinc acetate. Okay. So zinc acetate solid particles. So this is weighing bottle for the purpose of weighing of primary standard substance. Now come to this is the dropper. Okay. In order to add any indicators or particular practicals. Now this is test tube. Okay. This one test tube. This one holder, okay, and this one platinum wire, okay. So this one platinum wire, and this is double blue glass, okay. So now this apparatus, what I have seen, this has been used for the qualitative analysis. Acid radical, basic radical purpose. In order to find out the type of acid radical, sulfate, chloride, etc., basic radical, calcium 2 plus, magnesium 2 plus, sodium plus, etc. So this is for qualitative analysis. Okay. Now come to the quantitative analysis. So all of you know this is the washing bottle or distilled water bottle. It contains distilled water. Now this is a measuring cylinder, 10 ml measuring cylinder. This is volumetric flux, 100 cc volumetric flux. There is a round mark. So this is the 100 cc mark, volumetric flux. Why? This is for preparation of primary standard solution. Okay. Now this one is beaker, Thurson beaker. Okay, 250 cc. This is also Thurson beaker on 20 cc. And this one is conical flux, 250 cc conical flux. It has been used for the titrations. Okay. And this one also I forgot to tell you, watch glass. This is for qualitative analysis. This is specific gravity bottle for particular practicals, viscosity, measurement of viscosity of the solution. This one is funnel, Thurson funnel. Okay. This is called standard joint bottle. This is standard joint bottle 125 ml. Standard joint bottle. Okay. This one is 100 cc measuring cylinder. Now come to this is 10 ml pipette. Graduated pipette 10 ml. This one 5 ml pipette. Okay. And this is tripod stand. Okay, this is tripod stand. This is also for quality analysis. Okay. Now come to here. This is separating funnel to separate the solution. If there is a two phase. Okay, for heterogeneous equilibria. And this is the burette stand and this is the burette. 50 cc burette. This is the mark 50 cc burette. This is the burette stand. And this one is thermometer. Okay. So this thermometer is dipped into the water. So maximum experiment has been done in the solutions. So that's why we have measured the solution temperature. Okay. So these are the apparatus. Again I repeat the apparatus. This one is test tube. This is glass rod. This is washing bottle. This is weighing bottle containing primary standard substance. Here like zinc acetate solution. This is dropper for adding indicator or solutions. This is watch glass. This one platinum wire. Okay, this one double blue glass. This is holder for holding the test tube. Okay, and this one tripod stand. So all these apparatus are used for the purpose of quality analysis. So detection of acid radical and basic radical. Now come to quantitative analysis. This is measuring cylinder, 10 ml, everything is marked. This is volumetric flux, 100 cc. This one Pacific cavity bottle. This one funnel. This one Tarson beaker, 250 cc. This is conical flux. This one standard jan bottle. This one measuring cylinder, 100 cc. This is also glass 250 cc beaker, and this one 5 ml pipette. This is 10 ml pipette, and this one separating funnel. This one separating funnel to separate the layer, and this one is burette stand with burette, 50 cc burette. So I hope you understood all the apparatus. Okay, thank you very much.